Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add and use an AI bot on Discord. Click your server name at the top left to open the server menu. A drop-down menu appears with several management options for your server. Select App Directory from that menu to open the Discover page. The Discover page loads showing featured apps and bots available for Discord servers. Click the search bar at the top and type AI Chat to find available bots. The results update as you type, filtering down to bots that match your search terms. Click the AI chatbot card from the search results to open its app page. The app page loads showing a description of the bot, its features, and an installation button. Click the Add App button to start the authorization process. An authorization modal appears asking which server you want to add it to. You'll see a drop-down showing all the servers where you have permission to add apps. Click the Authorize button to grant the bot permissions. Then complete the human verification checkbox when it appears. This confirms you're adding the bot intentionally and prevents automated spam installations. Once authorized, click the button to return to your server view. You'll land back on your server's AI chat view with the bot now installed and visible in your member list on the right. Click in the message box at the bottom and start typing a /, followed by the bot's command prefix. A list of available commands appears. This autocomplete list shows all the commands this bot supports, along with brief descriptions of what each one does. For this example, I'll select the AI channel-list command and press enter to send it. The command sends to the channel and you'll see a processing indicator as the bot receives your request. The bot processes your command and responds in the channel with the requested information, confirming it's working correctly. You can customize bot permissions after adding it by going to Server Settings, then Integrations, and clicking on the bot name to adjust what it can access. To see all available commands from any bot, type just a / in the message box and Discord shows the complete list. If you need to remove a bot later, go back to Integrations, find the bot, and click Remove. And that's how to add and use an AI bot on Discord. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.